What's up, guys? So here we have a set of the GS01 in gloss silver. I've been trying to catch one set, that way I can make a quick video. That way I can show you guys the gloss silver. It's kind of a stock color. So if you're looking for like more of a OEM type silver with a nice gloss to give you some protection, I think this is a good color. As you can see, it sparkles very nice in the sun too, and it changes. These are the factory specs, so 19 by 10 43, 20 by 12 59. Cut to use OEM center caps, lug nuts, and tire. It's a great option for the Grand Sport guys that don't want to crack their wheels constantly. Let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.